Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to control volume with your keyboard. So let's get started. Right click here, select new, click on shortcut. Now type the name SNDVOL, and click on next. Click on finish. Now again right click on the folder, go to properties. Now go to shortcut key, add the shortcut key Control plus Shift plus R plus W and click on OK. Now press the keys which you enter, and here you can see this dashboard. You can control these volumes with your keyboard. Here's the example. Open the Chrome browser, go to YouTube. Now again enter the keys and you can see the volume dashboard is pop up. Control volume with your keyboard. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.